The IMI Business Association, IBA, is the largest academic society at the University of Toronto, Mississauga, consisting of over 80 members and 6 divisions, 3 essential and 3 event-based divisions. The 3 essential divisions include marketing, finance, and external relations. The other 3 include clubs and conferences, professional development, and student engagement. The presidential team overlooks the whole organization and consists of the president, vice presidents, community engagement associate, executive secretary, advisory board members, and the equity officer.
The marketing division manages organizational outreach and promotional aspects. This division, led by Samina, shapes our brand image and constantly works towards refining it. The media team creates all photo-video projects and help us communicate our brand value. The creative team develops brand-specific promotional campaigns, designs, and graphics, and comes up with a tailored marketing plan for each event. The outreach team plans and manages all outreach channels, such as website and email marketing, through which we communicate with students, industry representatives, and sponsors.
The finance division, led by Patrick, controls our budget and assesses the financial risks and possibilities associated with organizational decisions. Each auditor is connected to an event-based team where they oversee all events from a financial perspective. Their tasks include budgeting, planning, executing, and auditing all purchases, as well as provide financial assistance where required. The External Relations Division, led by Tala, focuses on creating and maintaining meaningful relationships with partners and industry representatives. The Corporate Relations Coordinators keep track of industry representatives, including panelists, judges, and guests. The Sponsorship team handles meeting negotiations and agreements with internal and external company partners.
The Professional Development Division, led by Pooja, creates valuable events for students to help them develop skills that are crucial to their business career. The 4 project managers represent students from different specialist programs. They work with the Department of Management, as well as internal and external partners to host their program-related events. The Biz Mentorship and Advanced Mentorship Directors work with the associates to plan new and exciting ways to engage with mentors and mentees. The Clubs and Conferences Division, led by Jose, focuses on planning and organizing our biggest case competitions throughout the academic year. The Ready Set Market, RSM team, organizes a case competition to help students gain the skills and experience required to solve a business case related to marketing. The Show Me the Green SMG team plans a case competition that brings awareness about new sustainable and ecological practices that can be implemented in businesses nowadays. The FinComp FIC team facilitates a case competition to inform students about an emerging industry that uses technology to improve activities in finance, also known as fintech. All 3 events include a panel, workshops, presentations, and networking opportunities.
The Student Engagement Division, led by Jessica, hosts IBA's largest events to provide students with a platform for connecting with peers and in-district representatives. The Corporate Social Responsibility CSR team hosts events like IBA Cares and Think Pink to promote social causes like mental health and breast cancer awareness. The BizFrosh and BizFormal teams work towards creating a friendly environment for students to connect with their peers and upper year students. The Tech and Business TIB team organizes a conference that explores the intersection between technology and business and connects students with professionals who utilize technology in their work. The WeIB Women in Business team aims to empower students by connecting them with women leaders from different business fields in a conference setting. The Biz Networking team organizes IBA's largest networking event that allows students to interact with business professionals. We are the IMI Business Association, an organization driven by progressive ideas, bold actions, and a strong foundation of support. We aim to help shape students of today to become the business leaders of tomorrow. So, would you dare to soar with us?